Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a GMC Acadia Easy Guide. First, park on level ground and set the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Gather a manifold gauge set, refrigerant can with a quick connect, and a leak detector. Check for oil stains and inspect hoses for cracks. Verify the correct refrigerant type and wait before proceeding with charging. Start by opening the hood and locating the AC service ports near the firewall and compressor lines. The low side port has a blue or larger cap and connects to the larger tubing. Gently remove the cap and inspect the valve core. Attach the manifold gauge low hose to the low side port until it snaps secure. Avoid forcing fittings to prevent damage. Keep tools organized and ready before you move to testing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more content like this. On another note, quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort during garage work. I use them while troubleshooting cars and they stay comfy all day. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the engine running and AC set to max cold, observe the low side gauge reading and compare it to expected pressures for ambient temperature. If pressure is low, shake the refrigerant can, attach the quick connect, and open the can valve slowly while watching the gauge. Add refrigerant in short bursts, then let the system stabilize between additions. Stop when pressure reaches the recommended range and the air from vents feels cold again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.